Hi creators, welcome back to Camera Then Coffee. This is where we talk about the up and the coming cameras. The new DJI Mini SE is finally released in USA today and it's time to check its specs head to head with Mini 2. Let's see how this new drone stands apart. Let's start with their body. Both the drones share the same dimensions that make them compact and portable enough to be carried as you travel. And both the drones weigh just 249 grams, which make them as light as an average smartphone, which is really great. Now there is a slight difference when we look at the speed specs of both the drones. When near sea level with no wind, the new Mini SE can fly at a max speed of 13 meters per second or 46.8 kilometers per hour. Whereas the Mini 2 on the other hand can fly at a max speed of 16 meters per second or 57.6 kilometers per hour. The new Mini SE when used in sports mode ascends at a max speed of 4 meters per second, whereas the Mini 2 ascends at a speed of 5 meters per second. The same is with the descent speed. The new Mini SE can descend at a max speed of 3 meters per second, whereas the Mini 2 descends at a max speed of 3.5 meters per second. Small difference, but it does matter. Just like the speed, the Mini 2 also has a higher max altitude than the Mini SE. The Mini SE takes off at a max altitude of 3000 meter or 3 kilometers, and on the other hand, the Mini 2 takes off at a max altitude of 4000 meter. But when it comes to wind resistance, both the drones can resist level 5 wind of up to 37.8 km per hour. Also, both the drones give you enough time to compose the perfect shots. Where the Mini SE has a max flight time of up to 30 minutes, the Mini 2 gives you a minute extra, thanks to their battery capacity of 2250 mAh. However, there is a big difference in the transmission range of both the drones. While the Mini SE2 supports up to 4 km of HD transmission, the Mini 2 on the other hand supports up to 10 km of HD transmission. And for that, the credit goes to OcuSync 2.0 transmission system present inside Mini 2. Speaking of the image quality, both Mini SE and Mini 2 houses the same 12 megapixel 1x2.3 inch CMOS sensor, which allows them to shoot 12 megapixel photos. But while the Mini SE delivers JPEG photos, the Mini 2 can deliver its photos in JPEG as well as RAW format. And yes, video is where game changes. While the Mini SE can record 2.7K and Full HD video at 40 megabits, the Mini 2 on the other hand can also record 4K Ultra HD videos up to 30 frames per second at a bit rate of 100 megabits. Cool, now let's have a quick look at some of the other common specs that deserve to be mentioned. Hey, thank you so much for watching. And no matter which one you choose, both are great starter drones for beginners. And if the video was helpful, do like it, because when you do that, it really helps me.